So the next pose we're going to do is Pigeon. So many of you will know this pose. It's a traditional yoga pose and it's really amazing for releasing all the tension through the hips and the glutes. So you're going to come around your mat. Remember, you've got these clips. And with these clips you can either make your whole sling tighter for your seat or wider. Now for this particular one, we want to make it a little more spacious. Okay, then you're going to take your leg as you would normally for a pigeon, only with Pigeon, as you know, we're lying across our mat. So you want to take your sling. Now this is totally preference, okay? Either you can bunch your sling up underneath you or you can make it really wide, okay? So that your leg has lots of room in there. It's totally up to you. My personal preference, okay, is that I bunch it. I like to bunch it up, okay, so that my leg is nice and snug inside this. So once you're here, you might find that this is enough of a stretch. If it's not, you just start to ease yourself forward. And the more forward you go, the deeper your stretch. So once you find your happy place, you can slide your clips down. Now you can just set that side and you can just hang out here, interlace your hands. You can find a little bit of movement. You know me, I like to wriggle and pulse and all of that good stuff. So it's an intuitive experience. Just because you're using your sling and you're not on your yoga mat doesn't change anything. You're still using this instrument to get into your body, to find an opening, and that's what we do. So tiny little pulses. You might just want to hang out and be still. Keep breathing. This is really a great pose. And then once you're finished doing that, you just grab hold of the sling, ease your way back, and you should feel amazing. So obviously, do both sides. Otherwise you're going to feel a little off kilter, but that's your Pigeon.